In an enchanting underwater realm, a mesmerizing, hyper-realistic digital masterpiece awaits creation. At the center of attention is a delicate porcelain mermaid doll, its intricate features illuminated in a close-up, front-facing head and shoulder portrait. The doll's alignment with the camera is pivotal for microphoto processing success. To realize the utmost in quality and authenticity, we employ advanced scientific photography methods. A DSLR camera coupled with a micro telephoto lens shall capture the scene. Employing Cinecolor, 3D, 5D, and subdimensional effects, we elevate the visual impact, crafting a dynamic and engaging artwork. Cinematic drama is amplified through artful manipulation of camera settings, shallow depth of field, swift exposure, and an aperture of f2. 8. This orchestration ensures the doll's clarity, accentuating its intricate nuances. The composition comes alive through warm hues and gentle contrasts, creating an inviting visual tapestry. Natural elements within the underwater expanse are seamlessly integrated. Sunbeams, dancing caustics, and soft bokeh effects bathe the environment in ethereal luminance. Cinematic lighting techniques and global illumination bring depth and authenticity to the underwater scene, simulating its breathtaking beauty. This aqueous realm hosts a saltwater mountain lake, shrouded by an eerie forest of contorted trees, gnarled roots, Japanese cherry trees, and vibrant wildflowers amid tall, verdant grass. A meandering saltwater mountain river adds to the allure, teeming with vivid fish, coral, and graceful mermaid goddesses. To enable human adaptation to this aquatic domain, intricate medical procedures and enhancements are essential. These modifications encompass augmented subcutaneous fat for buoyancy, webbed toes for efficient swimming, protective dark skin pigmentation, extended scalp hair for insulation, the inclusion of facial hair, and a streamlined fusiform body for optimal aquatic propulsion. Advancements in aquatic locomotion, amphibious respiration, underwater senses, temperature regulation, osmotic balance, immunity, and reproduction are pivotal for harmonious coexistence. Genetic manipulation, nanotechnology, and cybernetic integration offer pathways to these adaptations, guided by ethical considerations. The resulting masterpiece is a hyper-maximalist marvel, adaptable to diverse mediums like editorials, book covers, posters, galleries, and museums. A 16:9 aspect ratio ensures compatibility across devices, immersing viewers in its splendor. Rooted in precision, the portrayal of the porcelain mermaid doll is enriched by high-fidelity reference images and microphotographs of marine life, lending authenticity to this wondrous world. A seamless fusion of doll and environment emerges, a testament to artistic finesse and meticulous detail.